In a dimly lit office, a computer began sneezing uncontrollably. Employees whispered about a virus, but not the digital kind. The IT specialist, known for his skepticism, decided to investigate. He discovered a peculiar file named sneeze.exe that seemed to trigger the sneezes. As he delved deeper, he found it was linked to an old urban legend about a programmer who coded his sneezes into a file before mysteriously disappearing. The twist: the file was a portal to another dimension, and the sneezes were cries for help. The IT specialist vanished, leaving only the sneezing computer behind.